Last year, the HCC design classes built model airplanes. So this semester, they took their skills out on the water.
The project, we start with the sailboat and a lot of different reasons why we picked the sailboat. The simplest reason is because the boat's one piece, it doesn't have any mechanical part into it. First of all, they have to look at the aerodynamic of the boat. They have to look at the geometry of the boat, the height of it, and the depth of it, and the bottom of the boat. All these things they have to look it up and find some formulas and some laws to obey by.
I took a combination of all the different boats that I saw on the internet and what I had books that I got from the library, and then I hand sketched it on a sheet of paper, including some of those designs that I had seen.
I use hot glue gun so that water won't go inside the boat, so it actually sealed it. And I use spray paint so that the balsa wood won't absorb the water.
I didn't think it was going to be as interesting or that I would learn as much as I did, but then once I started to see boats being cut and people working on their boats and it actually coming to life, it was really exciting.
I had to help them with the actual construction of it and the actual sort of know-how of how to come up with a design that's going to be able to be translated to a fabrication lab. We use our computer-aided programs, mainly SolidWorks, Pro-E, and AutoCAD. It's tough to be able to create something from imagination, from concept, and put it to the test, in a real model, in a real world. And this is the real world of prototyping and developing new ideas and new products.
The competition, we decided to take this boat and put it in natural water. We didn't want to put it in a pond because the pond, doesn't have any current. So we took it to the Oyster Creek, which has some flow into it. The student here, they can learn from the classroom. We go through theories and procedures, and then they go through the practicum when they go ahead and they build it. Every single step they went through, they learned something out of it. I would like my students, when they finish here, they have the upper hand to go find jobs. So I like to show them and teach them a few things that other colleges, they do not do.
There's going to be times when engineers put stuff on paper, on napkins at lunch. And if they can throw it to you and you read it, and we have students that can just say, yeah, I know what he's talking about. That, to me, is how we're going to really move up with manufacturing. When the students show them their portfolio and say, yeah, I've actually done things, what you make here, that's really important.
I didn't know the technology that they had here, and I have no doubt in my mind it was the best place for me to come. Mr. Asper has been nothing short of spectacular in demonstrating it to the students, exposing them to different things, and he's always open to, if you have conversations with him, if you have questions of any nature with him, he's right there for you all the way.
They plan to continue developing new project ideas. If you're interested in making your own sailboat this summer, check out these sites. For the Stafford Magazine, I'm Chris Barcus.